Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a breakfast essential, waffle makers. If you're looking to whip up perfectly golden, delicious waffles, you're in the right place. We're breaking down 3 models, from budget-friendly to premium. Let's get into it. First up, the Cuisinart waffle maker, a classic 1250W waffle iron. This one lets you make one large traditional waffle at a time, with deep pockets for those thick, hearty results. It comes with 5 browning settings, so whether you're into light and fluffy or extra crispy, you've got full control. The ready-to-bake and ready-to-eat indicator lights mean no more guessing games. Oh, and it stores upright to save counter space. Next, let's talk about the Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Pro. Its unique vertical design ensures even cooking for consistent results every single time. This model also features 5 browning settings, giving you full control over texture, soft and fluffy or perfectly crisp, your call. It's packed with a spacious non-stick interior and a precision measuring cup for easy batter pouring. On top of that, it gives you both an audible and visual alert when your waffle is ready, so zero guesswork involved. Last but not least, the Gourmia Belgian Waffle Maker. With its compact design and vertical storage capability, it's a perfect fit for smaller kitchens. This waffle maker delivers thick Belgian-style waffles thanks to its deep grid design. The non-stick ceramic plates make cleanup an absolute breeze. You can also dial in your preferred browning level, and the built-in indicator lights will help you nail your waffles every time. And that's our waffle maker lineup. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one for more kitchen tips.